Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm from Germany, and together with my car D'Artagnan, I'm touring Europe, doing house sits, and explore beautiful places in historic cities and nature. Come along. Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining. I just woke up in my camper van. I stayed at the same place where I was the night before because I feel safe here. I ended up going to the same pub again and had some lovely dinner and, just reflected on the day, which was just absolutely stunning in Portmeirion yesterday. Those colors and the beautiful architectured houses in that amazing nature. It was really hard to believe that it is real. It was really, really beautiful. I will get up now and we drive through Snowdonia and to a waterfall. So it's going to be an exciting day. It's another day of sunshine mostly. The following days afterwards are supposed to be a little more grey. I will head to the direction of Scotland in general because in 4 days I will pick up my daughter in Glasgow and then go to the house sit together with her at the west coast of Scotland. So this is the plan for the near future. Ready to go to the Aber Falls. I had to stop. This is beautiful. And another stop at a little Snowdonian village. And then I continue through the magical Welsh landscape to the Aber Falls. Well, I'm about 2 miles away from the Aber Falls, and the road I was going was so narrow and I don't dare go any further. I don't have any internet here either, so not sure if I'm going to find my way, but I think I will just get out and try. The Aber Falls are one of Snowdonia's most beautiful and impressive waterfalls with a 37-meter drop. The 4.5 kilometers walk to them was absolutely scenic.
That was beautiful, so amazing. I don't remember that I've ever been so close to such a huge waterfall, and the landscape around it is just stunning.
And then I drive to a parking where I can stay for the night. I found it in Landwehrfächen, right at the train station.
What a stunning coastal town, I had no idea. It's quite beautiful, the houses here on the side of the promenade.
The next day I was driving to Ambleside in the Lake Districts, the place where William Wordsworth used to live, one of my favorite poets. Unfortunately, it was raining cats and dogs that day, and would continue to do so throughout the night. So I didn't really get to see so much of the proclaimed beauty of that area. And in my mind, I already planned to go back to that place, hopefully with better weather. I really felt sorry for the hikers as well as for the campers in those tents, and was really glad to have D'Artagnan as a shelter. The next morning I finally got an idea of the beauty of the place I was at. The campsite I was staying at offered a nice breakfast and homemade cake. And then I continue my journey to Scotland. The first part of my time there you will get to see in the next video. Thank you so much again for coming along. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Please don't forget to like the video, and as always, I'm looking forward to reading from you in the comment section. Bye bye.